We have achieved the target temperature gradient.
Noted. The descent rate looks nominal.
This batch is clear for transfer.
All right, moving it to Bay 3.
Through precise control and synchronized motion, the glass preform is stretched into an incredibly thin, flawless strand of fiber optic cable. Calibrating the alignment now. We need absolute precision for the cylindrical form.
As the glass softens, the precise movements of the drawing tower elongate the preform into a fine strand of optical fiber. The preform is heated to 2000 degrees Celsius, allowing us to draw the incredibly thin strand of fiber that you see here.
We integrate water-blocking materials, then tightly wrap the core with aramid yarn before applying the protective outer jacket.
All right, keep the tension steady here. The aramid yarn provides the strength before we apply the final jacket.
We're monitoring the polymerization closely. As you can see, the mist indicates the rapid contraction during the cooling phase.
UV exposure steady. The polymer haze is visible. Cooling sequence engaged.
Laser alignment confirmed. Proceeding with the cut.
Ensure the tension is consistent on that buffer tube. Thermal sealing is complete, moving to the reinforcement stage. tangents. The optical fibers are precisely aligned within the buffer tube, then secured with water-blocking material and aramid reinforcement.
After aligning the fibers, we apply the protective buffer and the aramid yarn before the final extrusion process.
The diameter is holding steady at 125 microns.
Good. Check the consistency reading on the yarn.
The diameter is stable at 125 microns. Noted. Check the consistency reading on the secondary sensor.
Everything appears stable on the primary core.
Confirmed. The sensor data matches the visual inspection.
The diameter is holding steady at 125 microns.
Good. We need to check the reinforcement materials on this next section.
Diameter is holding steady at 125 microns.
Good. Let's verify the reinforcement alignment before we spool.
Surface quality check on line 4.
Looks good. Moving to tensile strength. Surface finish indicators are stable. Good.
Start the tensile strength test on this section.
The tensile strength is optimal on this batch.
Good. Proceed to coating application.
Check the tensile strength on Unit 7.
Already done, it's within tolerance.
Surface finish is optimal. Move to UV application.
Confirmed. Starting the coating sequence now.
Ensure the tension is correct on the buffer tubes.
Yes, calibrating now.
Make sure the tension is correct on the aramid yarn. Yes, I've calibrated the feeder this morning.
Across the assembly room, our team works diligently, bringing together the intricate components of the fiber optic cable.
We are seeing a slight deviation on channel 3.
Acknowledged. Log that and continue the sequence. The tensile strength is holding steady at 95%.
Look at the fluctuation here at 50 newtons.
It's within tolerance, but let's monitor the return loss closely.
Tensile strength holding steady at 99.8%.
Excellent. We are within tolerance.
The plating looks perfect here.
Yes, the thickness is within tolerance. Check the plating on sector 7.
Looks good. No imperfections detected. Check the attenuation on channel 3.
Looks stable below 0.2 decavals per kilometer.
Check the optical loss at 1550 nanometers.
It's within the acceptable threshold, well below the maximum limit.
Surface finish is flawless, ready for the final wrap.
Confirmed. Serial numbers are logged for the Asia cargo shipment.
Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next video. See you in the next factory tour.